Ever wonder exactly how Baker Creek seeds get from the field to your mailbox? Come with us behind the scenes to find out. Safely separating the seed from the fruit is a critical first step. And if it's hot peppers, wearing a respirator is essential too. We make sure the seeds are perfectly clean, with no bits of flesh or pulp remaining. Then they're put in screen boxes and stored in a protected area to dry and cure. Each lot of seeds is tested for purity and germination rate before they're packed. Sometimes we measure the seeds by hand, but usually our precision packing machines do the work, turning out thousands of seed packs each hour.
Hi Dave, how are you today? Great, thanks. Can I do something for you? That does grow in your area. You can order that online at www.rareseeds.com and we'll get that out to you as quickly as we can.
Once you place your order, it goes right to the warehouse, where it's fulfilled using a one-of-a-kind holographic picking system designed right here at Baker Creek.